Today I have a very simple project. I have a dress and I'm going to make it into a scarf. It can be an infinity scarf or regular long scarf. I want to make it into a scarf because the material is very soft and it's light enough, but it's also 100% cotton, so it's very comfortable. The plan is to cut it from the middle, so I have two long pieces of fabric and it will be a long tube, and I will keep the gathered part at the end so it gives some character. And this pocket is fake, but it doesn't hurt to leave it. And I like the inside part, it's even reversible, but it's not necessary because you'll be inside, you barely see that. So I'm going to cut this and make it into a long tube. And because here it starts to change the shape, so I'm just going to use the fabric below the sleeve line. I will make a cut here and take away the pocket, and we will have a more even fabric. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to fold in half and cut a line here. Now I have two pieces that's pretty much identical, and you can decide how to connect these two pieces. I can do it this way, or you can turn this way, or you can turn it the other way. So the pocket is on the other side, one on that side, and the other is on this side. And once you decided how long you like, you can try it on and see if that's a length you like. If that's fine, then you can start sewing. And it's very easy to sew. You can open up both sides and sew a line here with the right side facing, so the seam will be on the inside. And I just noticed there's a zipper on one side, but it really doesn't matter. I still have enough space I can sew and without interfering with the zipper. So now I have two pieces facing each other. The right side is in the middle, and I'm going to trim up a little bit so it's more flat, more straight on this side and two sides. That's what it looks like after I trim the edges, make it straight. And now we have it facing each other. We're going to pin here and sew a line here. You can use sewing machine or you can hand sew. After we sew the line and open it up, this is the back side, this is line we just sewed, and we open up the whole pieces and fold it along the long side. That's what it will look like. And apparently when we want to sew it, we have to fold it the other way. So we fold it so the right side is facing each other, and we will sew a line from here all the way to the end. After you're done sewing this line, you just turn it inside out and then you'll be done. That's what it looks like after it's done. It's basically a tube, and I leave the both sides open because the inside is good looking too.